Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. In this video we will know how to refund money from PayPal. So let's start the video. So the first step is to open your web browser and go to the PayPal official website. So paypal.com, login to your PayPal using your email address and password, and after that click on the activity tab. So you can see at the top of this page home, send wallet activity and help. So click on the activities tab. So here you can check on the most recent payment in the last 90 days to find the transaction that you want to refund. In my case, I will check this last payment here on the transaction detail page. Look for the report a problem option. It's usually located near the bottom of the page. So click on that. So one very important thing is that you must have a specific reason for the refund, whether the package did not arrive or you did not receive a good item. But I know that you cannot ask for money without any reason. So let's go here. On this page you can check issues with your purchase issue, the seller billing error or issue with subscription, and unauthorized activity in your PayPal account. So I will click here. I want to refund for some or all of the item in this order. Here you need to share more information about the item that have issues, so I can name and take a category of item and quantity. So you must enter the correct data: item, typed service, in my case category, installation, okay, and quantity. Here I will type 5. Okay, let's go next, continue. After that we get to the page where it asks us what the problem is and why we are asking for a refund. So I repeat again, you must put the correct information. In my case I will click I cancelled the service, okay, continue. Next you need to provide other detail. For example, when did you cancel the service? How did you cancel? Enter the cancellation number, what was the agreed refund amount, and when were you supposed to receive the refund. After that just click continue.
That's
it. You have successfully refunded money from PayPal.
Remember, it may take some time for the funds to return to the buyer's account,
depending on their payment method. Bye.